A keto diet is an eating plan that focuses on foods that provide a lot of healthy fats, adequate amounts of protein, and very few carbohydrates. The goal is to get more calories from fat than from carbs. Here's a brief summary of keto. The diet works by depleting the body of its sugar reserves. As a result, it will start to break down fat for energy. This results in the production of molecules called ketones that the body uses for fuel. When the body burns fats, it can also lead to weight loss. There are several types of keto diet, including the standard ketogenic diet and the cyclical ketogenic diet. In this video, we explain its benefits. Make sure to stay tuned to learn everything you need to know about 2020's most popular diet. Watch out for the bonus content throughout and see the link on our bio to create your very own personalized keto diet plan. Our first benefit, keto supports weight loss. The keto diet may help a person lose weight. The ketogenic diet may help promote weight loss in several ways, including boosting metabolism and reducing appetite. Ketogenic diets consist of foods that fill a person up and may reduce hunger-stimulating hormones. For these reasons, following a keto diet may reduce appetite and promote weight loss. In a 2013 meta-analysis of 13 different randomized controlled trials, researchers found that people following ketogenic diets lost 2 pounds more each week than those following low-fat diets. Wow! Research has shown a ketogenic diet can induce rapid weight loss, partly from water loss but also some fat loss. However, the weight loss effect becomes similar to other dietary approaches after 1 year, according to a 2019 review of low-carb diets. Taking in less energy than you burn will lead to weight loss. The National Diet and Nutrition Survey reports that on average we get almost 50% of our energy from carbs. Cutting this by at least half is likely to reduce total calorie intake, even if it's replaced with fats, says Medlin. On the other hand, if you eat more calories from fat than your body needs, it will still be stored as fat. The "eat like me to look like me" ideology is flawed. We all have different genetics and lifestyles, which means we can't all look the same, says Medlin. Research shows the best weight loss diet is the one you can stick to for long enough to reduce excess body fat. Long-term compliance with the keto diet is low. Medlin cites restricting a whole food group, symptoms known as keto flu, including headaches, nausea, constipation, tiredness and difficulty sleeping, which can kick in after 2 to 7 days, and the higher than average cost of the diet as potential reasons why people might struggle to stick to it. The keto diet is used for certain therapeutic situations and isn't meant for the mainstream weight loss market, says dietitian Priya Chu. Carbohydrates have an important role in our diets, and whilst reducing them may aid weight loss, it is not sustainable to reduce them to a very low level. Similarly, another review of 11 studies demonstrated that people following a ketogenic diet lost 5 pounds more than those following low-fat diets after 6 months. Before we go on, have you subscribed yet? Make sure to never miss out on learning the best ways to hack your biology and become the best version of yourself by subscribing and turning on notifications. The second benefit, improves acne. Acne has several different causes and may have links to diet and blood sugar in some people. Eating a diet high in processed and refined carbohydrates may alter the balance of gut bacteria and cause blood sugar to rise and fall significantly, both of which can adversely affect skin health. According to a 2012 study, by decreasing carb intake, a ketogenic diet could reduce acne symptoms in some people. So, have you subscribed and liked this video yet? We massively appreciate the support. It helps us grow and allows us to keep providing you with useful content. Thanks. Benefit number 3, keto may reduce risk of certain cancers. Researchers have examined the effects of the ketogenic diet in helping prevent or even treat certain cancers. One study found that the ketogenic diet may be a safe and suitable complementary treatment to use alongside chemotherapy and radiation therapy in people with certain cancers. This is because it would cause more oxidative stress in cancer cells than in normal cells, causing them to die. A more recent study from 2018 suggests that because the ketogenic diet reduces blood sugar, it could also lower the risk of insulin complications. Insulin is a hormone that controls blood sugar that may have links to some cancers. Although some research indicates that the ketogenic diet may have some benefit in cancer treatment, studies in this area are limited. Researchers need to carry out more studies to fully understand the potential benefits of the ketogenic diet in cancer prevention and treatment. Our fourth benefit, keto may improve heart health. When a person follows the ketogenic diet, it is important that they choose healthful foods. Some evidence shows that eating healthful fats, such as avocados instead of less healthful fats, such as pork rinds, can help improve heart health by reducing cholesterol. A 2017 review of studies of animals and humans on a keto diet showed that some people experienced a significant drop in levels of total cholesterol, low-density lipoprotein (LDL), or bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, and an increase in high-density lipoprotein (HDL), or good cholesterol. High levels of cholesterol can increase the risk of cardiovascular disease. A keto diet's reducing effect on cholesterol may, therefore, reduce a person's risk of heart complications. However, the review concluded that the positive effects of the diet on heart health depend on diet quality. Therefore, it's important to eat healthful, nutritionally balanced food while following the keto diet. Some keto followers brag about how much butter and bacon they can eat. So, if you have heart disease, are at risk for it, or are generally concerned about your heart health, you may be confused about whether the diet, made up of at least 70% fat and very few carbs, depending on the version of keto you follow, could be for you. The short answer is that you may be able to try the keto diet, but only under close supervision with a keto-knowledgeable doctor and, ideally, a registered dietitian as well. For optimal heart health, many cardiologists are wary of the keto meal plan. The heart scourge is inflammation, which injures arteries, says Audrey Fleck, RDN, an integrative and functional dietitian nutritionist and certified diabetes educator in Perkasie, Pennsylvania. Many times, the cause of inflammation is elevated blood sugar, she says. What's more, a keto diet may help lower blood sugar and improve insulin function, and can be anti-inflammatory, she says. Insulin is a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar levels. But the specific foods you choose on keto matter, too. In a study published in September 2010 in the Annals of Internal Medicine on women and men who followed a low-carb diet, those who heavily relied on animal sources of fat and protein, such as cheese and meat, had a 43% higher risk of mortality compared with those who emphasized vegetable sources, such as avocado and nuts, for those nutrients. Those in the veggie low-carb group had a 20 and 23% lower risk of early death and heart disease, respectively. How crazy is that? A review in the May 2017 issue of the journal Nutrients examined the effects of keto on the heart by looking at both rodent and human studies. In humans, the authors noted, research has shown that total cholesterol, triglycerides, and LDL bad cholesterol often decrease on keto, while good protective HDL cholesterol increases. Blood sugar and HbA1c, which is a 2 to 3 month average of blood sugar levels, also tend to go down, possibly offering protection against prediabetes and type 2 diabetes. But human studies have shown mixed results about whether the keto diet increases or decreases insulin resistance or insulin sensitivity. And while people may lose weight on keto, the key is maintaining that loss, and that's not a given. The researchers also note that there isn't a strict definition of keto across the board that studies are using, so it's tough to even know if the participants reached ketosis in the first place. It's important to know how to create the right keto diet plan for you to make sure you don't put yourself at risk. That's why we have got an exclusive offer for the world's best program that helps you create a custom keto diet. See the link in our bio to learn more. Number 5, keto may protect brain function. Some studies, such as this 2019 review, suggest the ketones that generate during the keto diet provide neuroprotective benefits, which means they can strengthen and protect the brain and nerve cells. For this reason, a keto diet may help a person prevent or manage conditions such as Alzheimer's disease. However, more research is necessary into a keto diet's effects on the brain. The sixth benefit is that keto potentially reduces seizures. The ratio of fat, protein, and carbs in a keto diet alters the way the body uses energy, resulting in ketosis. Ketosis is a metabolic process during which the body uses ketone bodies for fuel. The Epilepsy Foundation suggests that ketosis can reduce seizures in people with epilepsy, especially those who have not responded to other treatment methods. More research is necessary on how effective this is, though it seems to have the most effect on children who have focal seizures. A 2019 review supports the hypothesis that a keto diet can support people with epilepsy. The ketogenic diet may reduce epilepsy symptoms by several different mechanisms. Number 7, keto improves PCOS symptoms. Polycystic ovary syndrome (PCOS) is a hormonal disorder that can lead to excess male hormones, ovulatory dysfunction, and polycystic ovaries. A high carbohydrate diet can cause adverse effects in people with PCOS, such as skin problems and weight gain. There are not many clinical studies on the ketogenic diet and PCOS. One pilot study from 2005 examined 5 women over 24 weeks. The researchers found that a ketogenic diet improved several markers of PCOS, including weight loss, hormone balance ratios of luteinizing hormone (LH) and follicle-stimulating hormone (FSH) levels of fasting insulin. A different review of studies from 2019 found that a keto diet had beneficial effects for people with hormonal disorders, including PCOS and type 2 diabetes. However, they did also caution that the studies were too diverse to recommend a keto diet as a general treatment for PCOS. Takeaways. It is important to discuss any intended diet plan with a doctor, dietitian, or trusted healthcare provider, especially for people who are trying to manage a health problem or disease. People looking to start the keto diet should seek consultation with a doctor and check if they have diabetes, hypoglycemia, heart disease, or any other health conditions to ensure the keto diet is a safe eating pattern. Keep in mind that studies on the long-term benefits of the ketogenic diet are lacking. It is unclear whether maintaining this diet over more extended periods is more beneficial than less restrictive healthful eating patterns. A ketogenic diet restricts or severely limits carbohydrates. However, some carbohydrates provide health benefits. For a less restrictive dietary approach, people should consume a diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense, fibrous carbs, such as fruits and vegetables, alongside nutritious protein sources, and healthful fats. So, which benefit do you think is most important? Let us know in the comments. Make sure to check out the link in our bio to get your very own customized keto plan. Thanks for watching, have a great day and please subscribe.